Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the latest breakthrough from XAI, the release of Grok 3. This isn't just another AI, it's a game changer in computational power and problem solving that's set to revolutionize how we interact with technology. In Phase 1, Grok 3 was developed in an astonishing 122 days, powered by a massive data center in Memphis, equipped with over 100,000 NVIDIA Hopper GPUs. But the Phase 2 took just 92 days to expand to 200,000 GPUs. That's no small feat. It required some serious engineering, managing power spikes with Tesla Megapacks, in a facility that already consumes a quarter of a gigawatt of power, with plans to scale up to 1.2 gigawatts for the next cluster. It's a testament to XAI's ambition and innovation. So, what makes Grok 3 stand out? It's the sheer brain power. 10 to 15 times more computing power than its predecessors, excelling in mathematics, science, and coding. It didn't just tackle the AME 2025 math competition, it demonstrated true understanding and generalization, not just memorization. And with its thinking traces feature, you can actually see how Grok 3 processes problems, whether it's plotting Mars to Earth trajectories or inventing a new game by blending concepts from classics like Tetris and Bejeweled. It's like watching a super smart mind at work. But that's not all. Grok 3 introduces Deep Search, a feature that feels like having a lightning-fast research assistant, struggling to fact-check for a school project or verify information. Deep Search scours multiple sources to ensure accuracy, saving you time and effort. And here's something exciting. Soon, you'll be able to chat with Grok 3 as naturally as talking to a friend. It won't just respond to typed queries. It'll pick up on your tone, whether you're excited, confused, or curious, making conversations feel seamless and intuitive. XI is rolling out Grok 3 strategically, starting with X Premium Plus subscribers, followed by a Super Grok tier for those who want to explore its full potential. But for now, Grok 3 is free for all. You can access it on grok.com through an iOS app and soon via API for developers. Plus, XI is committed to transparency, planning to open source Grok 2 once Grok 3 stabilizes. And don't expect this to be the final version. Frequent updates and a continuous beta phase mean Grok 3 will keep evolving with user feedback. This AI isn't just for tech geeks. Gamers might love how it can mash up elements from their favorite titles to create something entirely new. Students can rely on it to break down complex topics into simple, digestible explanations. From scientific research to everyday problem solving, Grok 3 is designed for real-world impact. Now, let's talk about the buzz. Since its release on February 18, 2025, Grok 3 has received rave reviews from industry leaders and users alike. Andrej Karpathy, CEO of Eureka Labs, called it state-of-the-art, praising its problem-solving and coding abilities, though noting it shines brightest in structured tasks. Lex Fridman said his mind was blown by its capabilities, while Siobhan Zilis from Neuralink described her experience as one of the most unexpectedly rewarding hours of her life, appreciating its approachable style. Amjad Masad, CEO of Replit, hailed it as a huge accomplishment for XI. Even Ethan Mollick from Wharton offered a balanced take, saying it's a very solid frontier model that holds its own against top competitors. So why settle for other people's reviews when we can test it ourselves with a simple experiment? I've got a red ball bouncing in a spinning square. Let's see how ChatGPT, Deepseek, and Grok 3 handle it against each other with a fun coding challenge. Let's get started. Here's the exact prompt I gave each AI. Can you give my Python code for a red ball bouncing to the walls inside the square which is spinning from left to right? The ball needs to be within the square bouncing as per gravity. Simple, right? But coding this involves tricky physics, gravity, collision detection, and a rotating square. I used portable Python to run each script in this order. ChatGPT first, then Deepseek, and finally Grok 3. Let's break it down. First up, ChatGPT. Known for its versatility, I was curious how it'd handle this challenge. On screen, you'll see the code it generated. It uses Pygame to create a window, a red ball, and a square that spins left to right. Gravity pulls the ball down and it's supposed to bounce off the square's walls, but the ball drifts slowly out of the frame. Disappointed. Next, Deepseek. This AI has been making waves for precision, especially in technical tasks. Here's its code. Again using Pygame. Deepseek took a bit longer to think about it, which got me hopeful for accuracy. But to my surprise, the square is rotating at an astonishing speed, which is making the ball rotating along the walls difficult, but surely better than ChatGPT. Now, the moment I've been waiting for, Grok 3, built by XAI, this AI is designed to push boundaries, and I had high expectations. Like the others, it uses Pygame, but the approach felt smarter. The square spins left to right, gravity pulls the red ball, and it's coded to bounce off the rotating walls. Spot on, Grok 3 nailed it at the coding, blending accuracy and elegance in a way the others couldn't match. Now we will try to generate an image using the prompt below in all three AIs. Generate a realistic image of a red ant wearing a delivery backpack, carrying a crumb on the bicycle's cargo rack, with Tower Bridge at sunset. As we can see, ChatGPT has generated images, but none are close to our prompt. It's a disappointment. We all know DeepSeek won't generate images directly, which is a disappointment too. Grok has done an astonishing job and nailed the prompt, at least better than others. This time Grok 3 won. So, what do you think? Have you tried coding with these AIs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you enjoyed this AI face-off, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech adventures. Next time we'll push these models even further. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.